So, good morning everybody and welcome to Not That Kind of a Channel. My name is Peter and in today's video I will show you how to fix a very common problem on our Range Rover Evoque. This problem is really common because I saw it on many other Evoques, and yeah, I will show you what the problem is. You can see here there is a small gap on the C-pillar, and you can see the paint from the door under. And yeah, and if you now think it's winter and you're washing your car because it's salty or whatever, and the water gets in there and it freezes, and yeah, we don't want to think further what can happen if there is water in it and if it's freezing. What we have to do next is we have to get these rubber sealing away, because under this sealing there are three screws, three T20 screws, T20, yes. One here, one in the middle, and one down here. This one is a little bit harder to access, but it's possible. So to get the sealing away, you can use a plastic tool, which you can use for the interior to remove things, or you can pull the sealing out, straight out. As I said before, we have to get our sealing out, rubber sealing. And for that, I slightly push it out. Be careful, don't have too much stress to get it out. Whoa. So, and as you can already see, there's the first, the second screw. I hope you can see this, otherwise I will change the camera. So, there's the third screw. So, and for this, try to get it out. Okay. And now I get my T20 for this. So, and I will loosen the screws a bit. Be careful, don't damage your paint down there. So let's get this. And then we'll try to slide it up. Okay. This one is really hard to get up because I already did this on the other side to try it if this really works. And yeah, the other side will slide up really easily. And this one is really hard to get up. So I will lose them a little bit more. Maybe then it's easier. So, yeah. Okay. And as I hope you can see this over here, the gap now is closed. So then we have to get the screws back on. Also the one on the bottom. You can see there's this plastic part, and we have to get our rubber back in. Because if we don't get the rubber exactly back in, the window won't go completely up. So let's check this. So you don't know if you can see this, but this one here has to fit in there. And for this, this plastic tool is really useful to get it back in. You will hear some kind of click when you get it in the right position. So here's the first one, and the second. Yeah. You have to take care that this sealing sits correctly in, because otherwise you will have a gap over here or up here when you try to close the window. I did this on the other side, so be sure that everything sits really correct in place, and then it works fine. And now I will show you what I meant. So that's this one. You have to get in there and put your sealing in. So as you can see here, from top to bottom, you have enough space to run the window in. And now I would say let's try if this works. Yeah, as you can see, the window fits perfectly. Yeah, and so the job is done, the gap is closed, and everything's fine. So this was it from my side and how to fix the gap problem on the C-pillar here. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you do so, please give me a like. And if you want to see more from that kind of content, please subscribe. And yeah, see you soon and have a good day. Bye.